in this video, I'm excited to share with you something really cool. I just discovered most of the traders don't even know about this crazy simple secret that can help you take your account substantially higher if you're a day trader or a swing trader. So what I'm going to show you in this live trading video, where I simply take 3,900 bucks into 16K in just a matter of one trading day, one trade as a matter of fact. What could have been a very different outcome at 3:59 p.m., I'm actually going to show you how to double your options profits by trading options after hours. What the? Are you serious, Leonardo? You know better than that. There's no options trading after hours, man. What are you trying to pull my leg here, man? What are you trying to do? Options after hours. Come on, man. I know better than this. I've been trading for years. Guys, that is exactly why I took my time to record this video, because after talking to a few traders recently, I realized that a lot of guys simply don't know this cool little known secret. Now, clearly, not all options are designed to be traded after hours. As you know, they do expire right at 4 p.m. So in this video, I'm going to show you one instrument that does not expire right at 4 p.m. and how you can capitalize on that extra time that is given for you to trade it after hours. Okay, guys, quick 3 things before we get started with the live video. Number 1, you have to know what instruments trade options after hours. And in this video, I'm going to show you one. And if you want the full list of instruments that you can trade options with after hours, make sure you click the link below, schedule a phone call with our senior trader here at 13 Market Moves and find out. Okay, number 2, you have to understand the probability of the move development right after the close at 4 p.m. to take full benefit of such trades as I'm about to show you. And number 3, please do not attempt to try this on your own until you learn the 13 Markets Moves structure, patterns, sequences, and application. To learn more about the 13 Market Moves, click the link below. Without any further ado, here's the video, guys. Enjoy the show. Oh yeah, and one more thing, okay? I know I've been getting this question a lot. Leonardo, how do you trade with an account under 25K and like you don't get flagged for your day trades? There is a recipe for that, guys. There is actually one thing that you can do, okay, where you can trade pretty much around the clock. And if you're curious to find out how you can do that without getting flagged for day trades, make sure, okay, you get some information below. You get on the phone with a senior trader here at 13 Market Moves. Enjoy the show, guys. Here it is. Live trade. 3,900 to 16K in one trade. Let's roll. Hey guys, Good morning, guys. May 6th, 9:30 a.m. Market just opened, and we're going to show you how to turn $3,900 into 30K plus over the course of the next 3 or 4 trades. So the first trade we're going to take, we're actually interested in doing some stuff here with BYND calls. Yeah, we want to buy some BYND calls. BYND actually is a very bullish trade. It just doesn't meet our cost criteria for options right now. Options are way high in relation to the move we're expecting. So we're just going to buy these. We're going to buy 286. Actually, we're going to buy a better strike. We're going to buy these 285 puts. I'm going to buy 100 of these puts on SPY right now, while the market is actually bouncing higher. Okay, bottom 32 cents, so good execution. I'm happy with that. And we are likely to add to this position. As you can see, we still got 645 available out of the 3,900. So the market apparently is moving higher. There it is, small drop, bouncing higher. The market could potentially hit this level 28.85, but overall we're seeing move 11 formation everywhere, right? So that actually is an ideal situation for a reversal intraday. I am going to go ahead and add to SPY puts. Right now we're going to add to the same position. I'm expecting a reversal despite of the hugely bullish momentum right now. I'm going to buy 20 more. 20 more right now. Let's buy them. Okay, bought 20 more SPY puts. 285 strike. Currently, the SPY is at 288.21. Expecting a rather huge reversal here. So far, the trade is losing 220 bucks, $340. Okay, so altogether, got 128 SPY puts. As you can see, we're pulling the trigger right here when SPY was heading to the moon, and it looks like it's got no room to go but higher. As you can see, this reversal is starting to come in. Now, these were the calculations we actually did pre-market, observing the move 11 and 2 formation pretty much across the board, and gold and oil and other things. So this is actually a rather bearish market despite of the futures being up like 21 points. So if you get lost as far as the market direction, guys, when it comes to trading weekly options, it's crucial to understand what move you're expecting on which day in order to be able to intraday trade it or swing trade it. So with that said, despite of the market moving higher, we already know, based on our 13 market moves calculations, that this trade right here is going to reverse. It could reverse in the next 30 minutes, it could reverse by the end of the day. But we know that the market will be lower going into the close, despite of this bullish action right now at 9:36 a.m. So with that said, we'll do a quick follow-up shortly. All right, guys, May 6th, it's 10:08. That reversal of a move to formation is coming in as planned. They count now from $3,900 to $13,011. If you don't know what the hell is a move to, guys, you've got to click the link below right now. Take action and learn what could help you trade like a rock star. Take action now. I'll catch you on a follow-up on this video shortly. What's going on? It's 2 minutes till the close. Man, the count is 6,300 after flying to the moon earlier at about 15K, guys. Here's what happened. The market stalled out, but now we are. See, the market just kind of went sideways, and now it's breaking down, and move 6 behaving into the sell-off. Move 11 confirmed. Move 2 formation confirmed. Guys, this is some awesome stuff. Unfortunately, we're 2 minutes and 33 seconds from the close. Now, we're in the money on these 285 puts, but we're not making a whole lot. So I'm going to show you a secret. Don't let this freak you out. But many people don't actually realize that these SPY contracts, they don't close at 4 p.m., right? So when the market closes right now in 2 minutes, these contracts are actually cashable all the way through 4:15, which actually gets you extra 15 minutes to cash out of them. Now, sometimes most of the biggest market drops, they're going to happen instantly after market after hours. So this actually gives us an opportunity, instead of cashing out right now at 7 grand, okay, this gives us an opportunity to cash out possibly at 10, 15, possibly even 20K if this move lower, this move 6 sell-off that's going on right now in progress, if it's going to continue after hours, we can easily visit a level of 28.20 by 4:15. Literally another 20-point drop on the S&P futures. And if that does materialize, okay, then we're going to be able to sell these contracts that we're buying early in the morning for like 30, 40 cents. We're going to be able to sell them for about $3. And that's exactly what we want to wait for. We want to take advantage of the SPY contract expiration that does expire today, which is an odd day, right? It's not a Friday. It's actually a Wednesday. But the way you take full advantage of this, when you got the correct type of move, and you know that there's a high probability of a drop-off sharply right after the market close, okay, you can actually take this to the full benefit of your intraday trading. So we're at 28.41. We're calculating another possibility of a 10, 20-point drop. Not necessarily clearly, not in the next 47 minutes, 47 seconds here when the market closes, but we could see a drop to the magnitude of 10, 20 points right after the market closes at 4 p.m. So shortly here in 36 seconds, you guys are going to hear the ringing the bell, the closing bell for the day. And you're going to see that I'm actually not selling these contracts. So 25 seconds to go. I mean, if we can get a slight move lower right now, that would be even better. That would increase our probability, right? So there it is. You know, we're fixing to close at the lows of the day. So the full-blown reversal in finishing at the lows of the day, as we explained in our daily analysis video, all of that has taken place. There it is at 28.39. Here's the ringing bell, 28.39.50. So we're finished at 76, which basically pretty much doubled okay. We had $3,900 we started out with. where official could have just sold at 76. And basically that would have given us a profit for, well, as you can see now the futures are dropping. So now we're at 9 grand. Okay. Let's see where we are here on the contract. See that sharp move lower, guys, right after the hours. And so instead of cashing out at 7,600, as you saw right at 4 p.m., now it's 4 p.m. and 40 seconds. So 40 seconds later, the market continues to drop, takes the count to 11,295. Look at this. Show you a magic trick here, how to take advantage of the market moves, guys. You better all pay attention. Here's the deal. We can get another move of about 16 points here in the next 14 minutes. Okay, so we got the limit orders. Let's review the limit orders. We got the limit orders. These 120 strike. We got 120 contracts of these 285 strike with an average cost of 31 cents. That's where we're buying them at like 9:30 in the morning, 9:33 in the morning. So now the count is 11,775. We can sell them for $1 right now. Cash out at 12 grand. Okay, but we're going to wait just a little bit longer because we still got 14 minutes on these contracts and the move is playing out perfectly. Okay, so let's see if we can get another break lower here. As you can see, the VIX is hitting pretty much the highs of the day. The question is, next 15 minutes, will VIX break out a little bit higher? Another 10-point lower could be coming here shortly. The account is at 12,435. Leonardo, I don't believe you, man. How can you be trading stuff after hours, man? Why nobody told me this shit before? Well, that's why you should click the button below this video and get some trading education, guys. If you don't know these little cool tricks, look, if I would have cashed out before 4 p.m., you saw where the account was. It was at 7,600. I would have missed out on this extra $5,000 gain. Okay? So check this out. There are the futures. They're breaking lower, 28.35. Okay? Now, if we get closer to like 28.20, 28.25 area, you're going to see me wanting to start closing this position out. Okay? So we're just going to be a little more patient. Right now is 4:02 p.m. Leonardo, you're trading after hours. How the fuck is this possible? Okay, so 28.36. We got a little bit of a pause here. Let's see if this pause is going to materialize in the sharp move lower. It's not like we haven't had a sharp move already, but I think there is another pause right now that's going to be followed by another sharp drop, and we should be able to capitalize on that and take advantage of this. So I'm going to wait just a few more minutes. It's 4:03 p.m. May 6th. Okay, we got the limit order, so I was going to review the limit orders. So we've got the limit order here sitting at, as you can see, we've got a limit order at 276, which would be closed out exactly if the market drops another 13 points from here. I should be able to close out at 276 and call it a day. The count is at 13K, 403.41. That tells me the futures are continuing to drop without looking at the charts. So now the bid is 110. Again, we're buying these for 31 cents earlier in the day. The count is at 13,500. Come on, sharp move, 10-point move lower. Let's roll. Let's roll, move to, let's go. 4:04 p.m. We got 11 minutes before these things expire. We need to sell them. Sell, sell, sell. Come on. Getting a little bounce here. Need a continuation. Another 10-point drop. 10-point drop. Let's go. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. All right, guys. I got to grab a phone call real quick. I'm going to be back to this video in just a second. All right, guys. They just sold my stuff. Man. I wish I would have kept it for just a bit longer. So 4:12 p.m. They just sold my stuff, and I cashed out at 16K. All right, guys. I should have left the video running while I was on the phone, but this is a snapshot of the actual execution. So if your options are in the money, and I've given you a ton of examples over the last couple of years in some live trading videos on how it actually works, but if you are in the money on your options, okay, and you're in the last hour of the trading session, there's a good chance, okay, that your broker will force liquidate your position. I was about to do it anyways myself. I was probably going to wait till about 16, basically 4:13, 4:14 to close it out. probably could have gotten just a bit more, maybe like $1.40, $1.45 out of these. Okay, but they closed, they force closed. The broker actually force closed my position. You can see they sold minus 120 SPY weeklies, expiration 6th of May, 285 strike at 134. So I was buying these at 31 cents. They force sold it for me at $1.34, about 3 minutes before the expiration. So pretty much in this particular case, it's, you know, it didn't make a big difference. But in instances, be aware that and this only is going to happen if you're in the money, guys. Okay, if you're out of the money, they're not going to liquidate your position. But instances like this could work out in your favor. Instances like this could work out against you. So be aware that your broker could close your positions in the last hour of trading if you are in the money on your positions. So basically these 285s, they were selling for about $1.32, $1.35. I was buying them for 31 cents. So still got these 282s, 8 of them, but those are losing $52. So overall, $12,268 in profits, investing $3,900, taking the account to $16K. I'll catch you guys on the next trade. And if you don't know what the hell is a move to, make sure to click the button below. Guys, if you don't got the moves, get them now, so you can become the best trader you're destined to be. Let's trade. Oh, guys, real quick, make sure you do not miss the next video where we got the second episode of the 13 Market Moves Trading Contest. Guys, I'm telling you, we got an insane lineup of contestants this week. Make sure you don't miss it. If you're new here, make sure you click subscribe, notification bell. Oh my God, you're gonna love this next video. Let's roll.